Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to convert a PDF into a Word document using Adobe Acrobat. So first open Adobe and load the PDF you want to convert by clicking on the top left side of your screen. You will see the menu option. From the drop down menu, select open. Now choose your document and click on the open button. As you can see, your PDF is open. Now, from the left hand side, you will see here several tabs. Click on the Convert button and this will open a panel. Now choose Microsoft Word. Here you can see there are two options, Document X and Doc. Select the appropriate option and click on the Convert button. Now this will open a new window where you want to save your recent folders. So choose that and save your folder in it. And that's it. Your Word document is ready. And that's it. You have successfully convert your PDF into editable Word file. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.